Level 1. The verdict. You hear the word before you understand it. Guilty. The courtroom is full of people who have been watching you for weeks, like you are a problem to be solved and not a person to be known. Your lawyer's hand tightens on your arm. Someone behind you makes a sound you recognize. You don't turn around. The judge keeps speaking. You stop hearing the words. You hear only the rhythm of them, the formal architecture of what has been decided about you. And then the second word comes, the one that follows guilty, the way night follows a particular kind of day, death. You think about strange things in that moment, the color of the ceiling, the way your mother used to say your name when you were small and the world had not yet decided what to do with you. They take you out through a side door. You don't look back. Level 2. The cell. 6 feet by 9 feet. You measure it on the first day with your footsteps. It is not a room. It is a fact. A bed, a toilet, a sink, a shelf, a window, if you are fortunate. And the definition of fortunate has already been completely rearranged. The sounds of death row are quieter than you expected. Doors that close with a finality that ordinary doors don't have. The echo of footsteps on concrete that tells you exactly where someone is going. Men talking to each other through walls, because connection is the one thing the cell cannot confiscate. You learn the schedule because the schedule is all there is. Meals at the same time every day. 1 hour of recreation in a cage slightly larger than your cell. A shower 3 times a week. Your days are not your days anymore. They are units of time being administered to you by an institution that has already decided how many remain. The first week you cannot sleep. The second week you sleep too much. By the third you understand that your body is trying to survive something it was never designed for. That negotiation, between your biology and your circumstances, will continue for however long you have. Level 3. Time. Nobody tells you what time actually does to a person when it is emptied of all its usual markers. Out there, time has texture. Monday mornings, Friday evenings, seasons on your skin. The faces of people you love changing slowly. In here, time is flat. Every day arrives with the same light through the same window at the same angle. Every meal is a clock. The seasons exist somewhere beyond the walls, but you feel them only as temperature changes in your cell. You find ways to create time because the alternative is to drown in the sameness of it. You read everything the library has and then you request more. And each book that arrives is an event significant enough to restructure your week around. You write letters, long ones that take days to compose because you have days and the writing gives them shape. Your family visits when they can, which becomes less often. Not because they love you less, but because love does not make the drive shorter or the visiting room less painful. You watch your mother's hair go gray through bulletproof glass. You watch your siblings' children grow into people you barely recognize. You are absent from all of it, and present for all of it at once. The years move slow and fast simultaneously. A day can last a lifetime. A decade can disappear. Level 4. The appeals. The legal system moves like geology, slowly, in enormous invisible forces, in shifts that take years to surface. You learn the vocabulary: habeas corpus, Brady violations, ineffective counsel, new evidence, the grammar of a system arguing with itself about whether it got something right. Each appeal is a season, a period of elevated hope and elevated fear, and then a ruling and then the aftermath, which is either the cautious relief of more time or the specific devastation of a door closing. You become an expert in calibrated hope, in wanting things moderately, in not letting hope expand too far, because the contraction hurts in proportion to how far it's stretched. Your lawyer's voice tells you the news before her words do. A short pause means something is still moving. A long pause means you need to sit down even though you are already sitting. There are moments when a judge writes an opinion that reads like a human being grappling with something real. Those moments are not nothing. And there are other moments when the system makes clear that your name is a case number, that your life is a docket entry, that the machinery is enormous and was not designed with you in mind. You hold both truths. You have had years to practice. Level 5. The last day. They move you to a different cell the night before. It is slightly cleaner than yours. You note this without knowing what to do with it. They ask about your last meal. You have thought about this more than you expected to. The answer is something simple, something your mother made. They bring it, and it is close but not exact because nothing made here can fully replicate what it is reaching for. You eat it anyway. You are grateful for it anyway. Your family comes. Everyone knows what this visit is. There is no pretending. You say the things that years of letters approximated but never fully held. You watch your mother's face and memorize it the way you have been memorizing it through glass for years. The hours move the way the years moved. They come for you at the time they said they would. You walk the corridor, the same sounds you have lived inside for years. Doors, footsteps. The echo of this place that has become, in its way, the sound of your life. Whatever you believe about what comes next, you carry it with you. Whatever the truth is about the thing that put you here, known fully only to you, you carry that too. All the way to the end. The door opens. You walk through it.